Hello, I am here today with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and I'll be showing you how you can customize your notifications bar. First we have to go to the Google Play Store and here we have to look for an application called OneShade. Oopsie doopsie, OneShade. Install it, wait for it to install and then open it. Wait, it has to scan for viruses and such. Okay, now let's open it. Now we have to give the application several permissions: dual SIM, allow, accessibility more services, downloaded apps, OneShade, use OneShade, allow, write, allow modifying system settings, other permissions pop up in background, home screen shortcuts, always allow, let's go back, and allow for notifications, OneShade, allow notification access, accept. Oh wait, we have to wait for a few seconds. Now let's access, yes I agree. Now, nothing really changed this far. Let's try to change the color. Let's go to colors and change the background color for this bluish one. Tap on apply, and now if we open our notification bar, as you can see it has changed to blue. There are also many other options to choose from, but I'll leave them out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.